Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern travel poster design in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document of these dimensions. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw an artboard size rectangle. Select the Line tool and draw a line here. Select the Shape and Line. Go to the Pathfinder panel, if it's not there bring it from the Window menu. And click on the Divide. Right-click on it and ungroup. Select the triangle and change its color. Now go to the Direct Selection tool. Select this point and drag it backward. Now go to the Anchor Point tool and convert the straight line to curves. And change its color to blue using the eyedropper tool. Select the background shape and apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a shape here. And send it to back. Go to the File menu and click on Place. Select the image and place it. Send it to back as well. Select the shape and image, go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask, and Make. Now, it is time to create an airplane. Follow me in that process. Select all, go to the Pathfinder, and click on Unite. And place it here. Select the shape and airplane. Go to Edit menu, and copy. Then paste it in front. Unite them, and change their color to light gray. Go to the Shear tool, and apply it. Bring the blue ones on top. Select the gray ones and apply Gaussian blur to it. Go to the Eraser tool, and erase these parts. Now it is time to add the text to it. Select the Type tool for it. And follow my text settings. Go to the Star tool and draw a star here. And increase its number of points with the up arrow key from your keyboard. Then hold the Control button to increase or decrease the width between. And round its corners. Follow my shadow settings here. Add text to it, follow my text settings. Then I have these icons, which I place here. Finally, it's time to add the effect to it. Copy this shape and paste it in front. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Change its blend mode to overlay. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.